Hey guys, what is up? It is another beautiful day and my hair is doing some like blowout kind of look. I don't know what's happening, but I'm very happy with it. Anyways, welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. If you have not, my name is Kate. I'm happy to have you here. I have been in the mood for crafts lately. Who hasn't been? And I went through all my stuff and I was like, wow, I have a lot of clothes that are just so plain and so boring, and I want to spruce them up. And I've been seeing so many cute TikToks lately of people trying different things. So I went out and I pulled a bunch of clothes that I wanted to kind of decorate, maybe. I'm not really sure, but I do have a Cricut, which makes my life a little bit easier than some that are trying to do at-home things. But if you are someone with a Cricut or just curious about designs that I'm gonna do, maybe this video is for you. I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the different things that I have. I have this neon green cropped sweater that I got from Forever 21. It's a size medium and it's got these like cute little distressed cuts in it, and it's in the front and the back. The reason that I bought this was for like an alien thing that I went to a while ago. And so it's really cute, but it's just like boring. So I'm thinking if it has like black across the front, it says something like sassy. I mean, like that's really cute and I like wearing this. It's just too plain. And then we have these little white thong underwear things. I got this from Walmart for 50 cents. And I was thinking I could put something like on the butt, like, you know, right here. This was like Bite Me or something. I don't know. I won't be showing you guys these on, but why not? Like, we're doing a bunch of shirts. Let's do something else. And then I got this cropped shirt from Apostle for $4. It's a size medium and it's kind of like a distressed, like worn blue, and I just thought it was really cute. I have no idea what to put on this one. I'm a little struggling with the idea of that because of the color. I also got this white shirt from Target for like $13 and it has a little pocket on the front. I actually got this for a photo shoot that we did. And it did really well for the shoot, but now I kind of want to wear it. It's cropped as well, very cute. Might put something on the pocket. And then last but not least, I literally bought this today from Target. It is a cropped waffle knit material, but it is an XXL. It would be way too big on me. So it was on clearance for $6 and then I got an extra 20% off, so it was like $4. And I'm thinking if I crop it more and then put something on the front, I think this would be so dang cute. I didn't even try it on, so I don't even know how it's gonna fit. But yeah, so that's what I'm working with today. And then I know for a fact I want something to be in that like medieval gothic print that I love. And I want it to say like Wild Thing across the front. I saw that and I like fell in love with it. So I know I wanna do that. I know I'm just like thinking through everything right now and you guys are just experiencing my thought process with me. Ugh, but it's okay. I just don't know what I want to do. I tried to save some stuff that I liked, but I don't know. So let me get my thoughts in order and then I will see you guys in a second. This is literally taking me forever. There's so many cute ideas, but first of all, I don't want to steal any artwork from the artist if I can't find the artist who made it. So a lot of like the line art that I wanted, like roses and stuff, I don't really feel comfortable taking unless, I mean, I know it's only for me, but you know, you never know. You don't want to step on any toes. And also, I'm not selling any of this, so I don't want y'all to be like, oh my god, she is ripping these people off. Nope, this is just me. That's it. The only thing I'm stealing is the font, but I mean, I downloaded it from the font, so. And I'm gonna show you guys what I have so far and see what you guys think, even though I won't know till after this video is already done. My brain isn't working, get me out of quarantine. Okay guys, so it's been a little bit of some time. I want to show you guys what I've come up with, and then I have to figure out what's going on what, and then cut it and figure out the colors because I have a lot of different colors of iron-on. So what I did was go through Pinterest. I went through a couple websites to see what the graphic tees they had. For my phone, the one thing that I saw was this. It says Wild Thing on the t-shirt, and this is from Shop North in Maine. The t-shirt is in cheetah print. I want to do it in a different font, and I just don't know what shirt. Let's see what I found online. So from Shein, I found this 90s baby shirt, and I thought that might be cute. I'm a 97 baby. And then I love this for maybe one of the other shirts, just like a simple star shirt. That's just really cute. I love what this says. I would probably do it on the front, maybe. I don't know. I just like what it says. And then, of course, this is just the font I already have, and I just think it's so simple and beautiful. I love this. This is so me. I want this shirt. So this one I'm definitely going to make. I thought about doing this for the pocket tee. I just don't know how my mother would feel about that, even though it's like trendy. Shout out mom, because I know you'll watch this at some point, but I just think it's cute. And then I saw this and it made me start thinking, what if I put like Georgia across, because that's where I'm from, if you guys didn't know. So that's kind of my thought process right now. So I will need to figure out what I want to do for the underwear. What if I did the Playboy bunny on the underwear? It would be really small. I kind of wanted to say something else. I don't know. No one's gonna say my underwear but me, right? I'll be right back. If you guys haven't seen my office tour, I've like taken everything off of the shelf because I use it so much. So I have my regular printer and then my Cricut printer, and then all of my vinyl is like in here. So kind of a mess right now. It's fine. I need to clean and organize. I just ordered some, there is an eyelash stuck to my Amazon package. What is wrong with me? Somebody get me out of this house, or like make me clean and organize or something. I ordered 3 new mats from Amazon for my Cricut because I really needed some. Mine were like falling apart. Yay! These aren't even Cricut. This is different. I've never not had the Cricut brand. This one's like Monica. I can link them in the description if you want. I got 3 for $13, so that makes sense. And then I gotta figure out what I want to do with everything. I have a bunch of colors in this metallic, so that might be cool. I have like a pink, I have red, I have this like purpley color, but then I also have a bunch of glitter colors. I know I have red, gold, silver, and black, and the black is like really freaking cool. Like I'm really feeling the black for some stuff. I think that would be sick. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Okay. I need to think about colors now. I think I want to do a lot in the black and then maybe the glitter iron on. Alright, so I wanted to start with an easy one. So I'm starting with the Wildflower one, and I'm using the font Coachella from Da Font. I love this font. I think it's so cute. So I'm going to keep this one really simple. I know it's not the exact same font, but I don't want to copy it exactly. So I'm going to take my mat and figure out how big I want it to be on the shirt. I do it the tacky way. So this is the length of the shirt. So I'm probably going to want it to be like at least to the 8. That's what I'm thinking. So on here, I would pull it so it goes at least until the 8. I just have to line it all up like that, maybe a little bit bigger than the 8, and it's only going to be like an inch. So that's literally like the smallest little bit. So I don't really know if I want it. The shirt was boring before, so we're just going to do it. So you're going to mirror it if you haven't done it, so that it flips it on the opposite side. And then I don't know what color I want to do it on. So let me figure out what color. Okay, so I think I want to do this like silvery color. I would do the white, but I don't know. I kind of like this because it's like that distressed coloring. Okay, so I put it down with the shiny side facing down and the matte side up. And then you're going to slide it in. And then you're going to hit this guy so it pulls it in. I already have my blade in there, and then set it to whatever setting you need it to be on. So mine's on iron on right now. Once you hit it, it'll start doing it. So it'll just take a couple minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed through a couple of them and then show you once I have them all printed out, because I feel like it's gonna be a process to like make all of the designs. And then when I start ironing, I'll show you what they all look like and then we'll go from there. See you in a sec. Okay guys, so as you can see from the lighting, this is my room lighting. It has been several hours since I have seen you guys. I've been so back and forth about everything that I want to do, and I only did a few. I think I did like 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. Yes, so I did 5 different things, and let me show you guys what I decided. Okay, so first off, I have this Aeropostale shirt, and it looks so different in the camera than it does in person. You're supposed to wash your clothes before you do this, but I'm really lazy and I felt like doing it now. So also you should really try it on and figure out if you're putting it in the right spot, but I think that looks great. I don't really feel like putting it on. I'm being very lazy. So if this turns out horrible, I have no one to blame except for myself. But let's see, I'm thinking like that. So the sticky side is down, and then I have this like piece of satin material that I've used in the past for a lot of different things that I'm going to use to iron it on. This is where I struggle the most, is like getting this on. Sometimes it's better for me to just iron directly on this thing. I don't think you're supposed to do that either. Oh. I should not have laid that back down. Oh no. Y'all. Oh, there we go. I actually, okay, I see you. This is cute. This is very cute. This happens to me a lot where they look kind of like wavy, but like I said, I'm not selling these. These are literally just for me, so I really don't care if they're a little wavy. But yeah, that's actually really cute. I'm kind of glad I did that silver color. It's very cute. I wish you guys could see it a little bit better, but yeah. Okay, moving on to the next. This waffle knit one, I went ahead and tried it on and put little pieces of tape where I think the decal should go. And then I have my decal, so I ended up doing the wild thing on this because I completely forgot. And I changed the font too. I thought this was just a little bit more classy, and then I sent it to my friend Hannah and she was like, yeah, I like that more. So we're gonna go with this, and I'm trying to center it with the tag right there so it'll go like right around my boobs, you know? Okay, I like that. Yeah, okay. I'll show y'all when I'm done with this one. Oh, and I got makeup on it the first try that I put it on. So I'm doing very, very well right now. Okay, so for this one, I did the cute little Playboy bunny, but I did it in like a sparkly black. It's really hard to see right now with the lighting, but it's so adorable, and I'm so happy with how it turned out. Oh, there we go. Yes, look at that. That's so cute. I love it. Yeah, this one's my favorite so far. Yes. Oh, and then this one, I forgot to show you guys. This one, it didn't come out the way I wanted it to because of how thin it was, but it kind of looks cool. And I think I might put something here, and then I think I'm going to put something on the sleeve. So give me a second and I'll get back to you guys on this one. Guys, so for this green one, I really struggled with it. I was going to do the 90s baby on it, but it just wasn't feeling right. And so the only thing that I really liked was like lightning bolts over the boobs. So I think I need to put some tape where I want them to be and try it on. But then I was also thinking about putting something on like the sleeve too. So I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with this one yet. And then the other one I have to do is the underwear. And I decided to do the Bite Me like I was thinking. But I need to try these on as well and figure out where I want it to be. So as soon as I figure that out, I will iron them and show you guys. Okay, so I definitely like kind of stained the shirt. You can see it more in the camera than you can in person. It's really not that bad, but you can see like where the iron was. I think it'll be fine. But yeah, so I put these on. They might be crooked, might be in the wrong spots, might be lopsided, but it's fine and it's cute. So we will see about this one. And then here are the underwear. They're so freaking cute. They have like a metallic look to them. I love how they turned out. I was really worried about these, but super cute. I have a little bit of the dye that came off onto them from the satin sheet, but I'm okay with it. Yeah, so I gotta show you guys a haul now, and